Welcome friends to my BNG Chem Study channel. For study the chemistry, I am Dr. B.N. Gaude, working as an assistant professor in chemistry at Anandrao Dhunde alias Babaji Mahavidyalaya Kada, affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University Aurangabad. Dear friends, please subscribe my BNG Chem Study channel videos, like and share for study the chemistry. Friends, today we have to see the introduction of the chemistry syllabus for BSc third year chemistry for academic year 2020 to 2021. Friends, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University Aurangabad designed the syllabus for BSc third year chemistry semester system for 5th and 6th semester, which is effective from June 2015 onwards. BSc chemistry in semester pattern for the 3-year degree. Now BSc third year for semester 5 there are 3 paper. Out of these 3 paper, 2 paper for theory and 1 paper for the practical. Now paper number 13 is physical chemistry. This required 45 hours for teaching and carries 50 mark for the exam. Then paper number 14, that is organic chemistry, required 45 hours for teaching and carries 50 mark for the exam. Then paper number 15, lab course 5, that is practical paper, required 90 hours for teaching and carries 100 mark for the exam. Then BSc third year 6th semester also contain 3 paper, in that 2 paper for theory and 1 paper for the practical. Now paper number 16 is inorganic chemistry. This requires 45 hours for teaching and carries 50 mark for the exam. Then paper number 17, organic chemistry, required 45 hours for teaching and carries 50 mark for the exam. Then paper number 18, that is lab course 6, that is practical paper, required 90 hours for teaching and carries 100 mark for the exam. Friends, BSc chemistry 3-year degree course, I am teaching paper number 14, that is organic chemistry for 5th semester. Now in this paper contain 4 chapter. First chapter is the spectroscopy, required 16 hours for teaching. Then second chapter, organometallic compound, require 8 hours for teaching. Then chapter number 3rd, organic synthesis via enolate, required 13 hours for teaching. Then chapter number 4, fats, oil and detergent, required 8 hours for teaching. Then paper number 15, that is lab course, that is practical paper, contain organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry. Now this organic and inorganic both required 45 hours for the teaching and total 90 hours for the teaching. Friends, BSc third year organic theory paper, paper number 14, carries 50 mark for the exam. Now in that we have to see the chapter number 1st, spectroscopy. In that we have to study the some point which is given here, that is first one is the nuclear magnetic resonance, that is NMR spectroscopy. Then proton magnetic resonance, that is H1 NMR spectroscopy. Nuclear seeding and deseeding, chemical shift and molecular structure of the compound, spin splitting and coupling constant, areas of the signal, interpretation of the PMR spectra of simple organic molecule such as ethyl bromide, interpretation of the PMR spectra of simple organic molecules such as ethanol, acetaldehyde, 1,2,2 tribromoethane, ethyl acetate, toluene and acetophenone. Some of the problems, that is pertaining to the structure elucidation of the simple organic compound using UV, IR and PMR spectroscopic technique. Then chapter number 2, organometallic compound, required 8 hours for teaching. In that we have to study first organomagnesium compound, alkyl magnesium halide, ethyl magnesium bromide formation, structure and chemical reactions of the organomagnesium compound. Then second organometallic compound is the organozinc compound. In that we have to study the dialkyl zinc formation and chemical reaction. Then third organometallic compound is the organolithium compound. In that we have to study N-butyl lithium formation and chemical reaction. Then chapter number 3, organic synthesis via enolate, required 13 hours for teaching. In that we have to study the definition, active methylene compound, preparation of the acetoacetic ester by Claisen condensation with mechanism, then acidity of the alpha hydrogen, properties and reaction involving formation of the mono, di and unsaturated carboxylic acid. Also we study the synthesis of ketone, diketone, 4-methyluracil from acetoacetic ester. Then we also study ketoenol tautomerism. We study the preparation of the diethyl malonate, then properties and reaction involving alkylation, formation of the mono, di and unsaturated carboxylic acid, and also synthesis of the amino acid and barbituric acid from the diethyl malonate. In chapter number 4, we have to study the fats, oil and detergent. This required 8 hours for teaching. In that we have to study the natural fat, edible and industrial oil of vegetable origin, manufacture of soybean oil by solvent extraction method, isolation and uses of the essential oil, types of animal fat and oils, definition of saponification value, iodine value and acid value. We also study the detergent and their definition with introduction. Then preparation of the sodium alkyl sulfonate, alkyl benzene sulfonate and amide sulfonate, one example each. Then we also study the cleansing action of the detergent. Friends, BSc third year practical paper number 15 for semester 5, lab course 5, organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry practical paper. In that we have to first see the organic chemistry. This carries 50 marks for the exam. In that we have to see the binary mixture and their separation and identification of the both the component. First binary mixture is benzoic acid plus beta-naphthol. Second binary mixture is salicylic acid plus para-nitroaniline. Third binary mixture is beta-naphthol plus acetanilide. Fourth binary mixture is meta-nitroaniline plus naphthalene. Fifth binary mixture is alpha-naphthol plus ortho-nitroaniline. Then sixth binary mixture is cinnamic acid plus naphthalene. Seventh binary mixture is salicylic acid plus naphthalene. Eighth binary mixture is beta-naphthol plus meta-dinitrobenzene. Ninth binary mixture is cinnamic acid plus para-nitroaniline. And 10th binary mixture is salicylic acid plus beta-naphthol. Friends, in practical paper, second section is inorganic chemistry. This section is also for 50 mark for exam, and in that we have to study the inorganic qualitative analysis, that is semi-microanalysis, at least 5 mixture. Second, separation of calcium and barium and estimation of the calcium volumetrically. Separation of copper and nickel from binary mixture solution and estimation of copper volumetrically. Fourth one, estimation of oxalic acid and H2SO4 in given mixture solution using NaOH and KMnO4 solution. Fifth, estimation of Fe by potassium dichromate using diphenyl amine indicator. Sixth, estimation of available chlorine in given sample of bleaching powder. 7. separation of calcium and barium and estimation of barium gravimetrically. 8. Separation of copper and nickel from binary mixture solution and estimation of the nickel gravimetrically. Thank you friend for watching my BNG Chem Study channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.